As school campuses reopen to more students in the borderlands, some staff members have been thrust into new roles that put themselves at greater risk. It's especially true for school nurses. ABC 7's Madeline Audley explains how a nurse with Anthony ISD has kept her community safe during the pandemic.
It's been months since students were welcomed back to classrooms at Anthony ISD. District leaders say Nurse Marlene White is one of the reasons they've stayed open.
My whole life since July the 8th when we came back has been COVID-centered.
White is Anthony ISD's school nurse, but during the pandemic, she's taken on a more critical role.
You're not symptomatic.
No.
Leading the district's testing and contact tracing program.
They've become the most important persons during this pandemic, more important than me.
Superintendent Dr. Oscar Troncoso said Nurse White has tested hundreds of people.
This is your test kit.
And not just students and staff.
I tested community members, family members. I was kind of it for our community.
She said, because we're kind of in a little rural area, I'm gonna volunteer.
I knew I would be at risk. I was exposed to quite a few people that were positive. Because I didn't breach the PPE, I've been fine.
Testing is only part of the job. Nurse White has had to log data for each test conducted. The district has now hired an additional staffer to help with contact tracing. But stopping outbreaks requires more than just a test.
Talking to the kids, reminding how to wear a mask and why.
The why is often the need to protect those at home.
We have a lot of kids that live with grandparents, and those, of course, are the most vulnerable.
Proving the impact of a school nurse is often felt beyond campus walls. Madeline Audley, ABC 7.